Right, and today I want to stamp these papers. I've got a few stamps here, and I've got stamp pads, brown and black, actually these clay shades. So I made these papers with, it's normal paper, like printing paper and everything, that I made with my coffee stain. So if you would like to see how I do that, you can just ask me in the comment and I will show you in a video. But for now I'm just going to put on a few stencils, and I want to use this maybe in my mixed media, or I want to make a few butterfly. Let me just show you. I want to make a few paper butterflies like these. So I'm going to use this. I've got printing paper. I also got this is 160 gram printing paper. I've also got them. I've got various stuff here, so I will just see what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to leave them on there. I'm not going to take them off and put them on something. I'm just going to print them using this. I'm too lazy now to take it off, so I'm going to start with my charcoal color, or my black, and just inking it up. I'm not going for perfect. So you see, this looks actually very nice. I crinkled some of these papers before I started, so some of them are a little bit, they don't print that great, but I don't mind that. Okay, you can see I've finished. I'm just going to flip fast through these. You can see this is not my favorite, but I think you can maybe use them in the bottom layer or the middle layer. I stamped some of them a little bit. This is just my normal printing paper. You can see this one's is actually very nice. I like these. And what happened with these, when I put it in the coffee, it was the last ones in the container. I just stuck them in there, and look how nice they are. I will definitely be making more of these ones. And then this one is just a normal copy paper without coloring it first with a coffee or tea or whatever you prefer to use. Oh, but I love these. Definitely gonna do more of them. This is also just a copy paper. I just want to show you. These ones was just an old diary that I tore up, and you can see it's got slight margin lines there, but I actually like it. I actually like this very much also. So this is my two favorites. This was just an old book, but it's a very sturdy paper, almost like this one's. That's the 160 grams. You can see they also came out nice. So I will be making some of them with a soft paper and some of them with a harder paper, like 120 grams. These are also the same ones. I actually did some of them on the white paper without coloring them first, and you can see how that looks. This is also just a sturdy paper, and that's all of them. So I think I flipped through everything. So my personal choice here is this one that I didn't actually stain the whole time and pressed it underneath the coffee. I just dipped this sort of into the last remnants that were left. And these ones I also like a lot. So if you want to see me how I make the butterflies, you can maybe just ask me in the comments and I will show you. And you must have a lovely day and take care. Happy crafting.